Visit the historic windmills and green-painted traditional-style Dutch wooden houses. Treat yourself with fresh farmer's cheese in a local cheese factory. Watch traditional craftsmen at work while making world-famous clogs, and complete your visit with sheep, goats and chickens. Welcome to the beautiful windmill village Zaanse Schans. I only had 3 days to spend in the Netherlands. After 2 days of sightseeing in Amsterdam, I was ready to explore a unique and beautiful part of Netherlands village. Zaanse Schans is a very popular day trip destination from Amsterdam. It's one of the top tourist attractions in the whole country, received more than 1.6 million visitors last year. You can get there from Amsterdam Central train station by bus or train within less than an hour. Buses are the easiest way to reach Zaanse Schans from Amsterdam Central. From a distance, you can already see the sail of windmills slowly turning in the background. If you're in Amsterdam, you should definitely find time to come and visit this amazing village. It's awesome, it's stunning, it's so green, so relaxing. Are you happy to come here?
Yeah, I really noticed when I got to Amsterdam that the air is very humid and has a nice feel like you're on the seaside. And it feels like home in Vancouver, where we're also by the ocean.
Yeah, are you happy to coming here today?
Yes, this is very exciting, seeing the windmills there, very interesting.
Okay, let's go then. Before seeing the windmills, learn all about the typical Dutch cheese with the cheesemakers in the traditional customs at Catharina Hoeve Farm Shop. They will tell you all about the different type of cheese, and you will get to taste some of those delicious local cheese and chocolate. Famous here?
No, it's just something new, something different.
Shave nice. I shave it, put it in the cup. Afterwards I put a topping on it, and I can also mix several toppings. So I got strawberry, apple, raspberry, orange and pomegranate.
The main attraction here are the historic working windmills, but further historic buildings organized like an open-air museum. You should definitely see other side of the village as well. everyday volunteer sails between the banks of the Zaan on the pedestrian ferry. The ferry can transport a maximum of 12 passengers and takes around 5 minutes to cross to the other side.
Graveyard.
The last leg of our tour was the visit of the wooden shoe workshop. The factory has an unique as well as exclusive collection of clogs in the waiting area, and the walls inside were lined by clogs of variation colors and patterns. This family-owned wooden shoemaking factory remains true to their motto, which says our story begins with a proud of family and ends with preserving the traditional Dutch trade of clogs making for the future generations. The aroma of cheese and smell of chocolates followed us for a while we drove back to Amsterdam. Thanks for watching my video, guys. If you like it, please thumbs up. See you another time. Bye!